So pruning is what we do to control how the tomato plant is growing, because if you don't do anything, each leaf node is going to sprout a new head. So pretty quick it's going to turn into this crazy octopus head plant, which you sort of want if you're like a wild tomato, but if you're gardening, you probably want something that's a little more trimmed and easier to work with, better air circulation, so you'll have lower diseases. And so in that case, you're going to be taking off those suckers. So presuming that this made sense and you know, this wasn't our second head, you would just use your fingers, not a knife, just snap that off at the base. Snap one direction, snap the other. So it's just like a chick, chick. It's a back and forth sound. It's tremendously satisfying. And as you can see here, I haven't left any stump. That is so important. I never want to see this kind of thing. You never want this. You never want there to be a little stump, because that stump is going to rot, and that's how disease is going to get into the plant. You really want it nice and clean. Use your fingers, because if you're using a scissors or a blade, you actually have more of a risk of propagating disease amongst your plants. And you'll find you get this like gunky black stuff on your fingers that's really hard to wash off and makes your hand turn like blackish, sort of yellow for weeks. So if you want to wear some nitrile gloves, that can be a good idea. Makes it easier on your hands. But that's that. Pruning tomatoes.